retracted it. We already got Gojo's message, which more or less the same thing, so whoever gets here first is given the privilege of getting their message pinned. But I appreciate the help. Moose, your tongue's hanging out. Look at how long his tongue is right now. Were you pulling hard, buddy? You look exhausted. Your tongue is like a foot long. Hey, no. That's the way we just came from. We're going down the hill. You don't see his message? Like and subscribe for more content. It's pinned at the bottom for me. Look at that. Another tick. This is 2 ticks on this walk that I've had. Bad. Oops. Is the chat working for everybody? I think there might be a deer or something out in the woods here. He's kind of intrigued. All right, here we go. We're back at it. Don't pull me too hard, buddy. We're lagging. Yeah, our service is kind of weird out here sometimes. I think it'll get better when we get down in the yard. We're too far away to use the Wi-Fi, so I'm going on cell phone service, which is a little spotty around here. Thanks for the likes, everybody. Whoa, Moose. Slow. All right, I can see the clearing at the end of the robot voice. Is that, oh, I sound like a robot right now? Oh, we're doing our best. You're all clear on your end? Okay. Slow, buddy. Here we go. We've reached the field. He's smelling some good stuff. What is it? Well, I've had 2 ticks on my legs from that walk. There are tons of ticks out this year. Moose and Raven get the medicine, so they don't get the ticks, but I do. Hey, Trollin' Junior Gaming. Thanks for stopping by. It's all good. We just got out of the woods. Hold on. Yeah, I can usually feel them crawling on me. They never end up getting attached, so that's good. What do you think, Moose? We're going back to the yard. Nope, not up the hill, down the hill. What do you smell? See, if we went left in the woods, we would have come out at the top of the hill up there. That's what we'll do. Yeah, now they're 3 mods. We are fully moderated. I just try to, if somebody asks and they want to be a mod, it's fine with me. It's usually pretty easy because most people are pretty nice on this chat. So we don't have to really ban anybody. There's another disc golf target. Pretty fun. What do you think, Moose? You want to go back down to the pond? Oh, nope, he wants to go this way.